Clear glowing skin is a sign of beauty that many envy. Today we'll talk about how to get clear glowing skin at home. 1. Lemon. The citric acid in lemon helps promote clear skin. Slice a lemon in half and squeeze it onto your face and neck. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then wash off. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains antibacterial properties that help keep acne away. You can purchase the gel from the store or get it from the plant. Apply it to your face and let it sit for 30 minutes, then wash off. 3. Mint leaf. With the main ingredient in mint leaf being menthol, it helps cool your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of mint powder and 1 tablespoon of yogurt to create a paste. Apply it to your face and neck and let dry, then wash off. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda has a pH of 9, making it very useful for clearing skin of acne. Mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir to make a paste. Gently apply it to the skin to exfoliate and enjoy silky, smooth, glowing skin. We hope you found these tips helpful and leave with glowing skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.